Hello my party people, welcome back to my channel. We are still in Dubai and today is a very beautiful day. Can you see? Pretty. But today we are going out. We are going to downtown. I forgot the name of the place, but I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna show you around, and we have Cassie with us. You remember she was with us in our Sarkal Avenue, so I'm gonna see her and we're gonna go out, and I am super late, so let's go. I was rushing so much, but I'm waiting here now. Say hi. Did you play that game of Aladdin when you were small?
What game?
Aladdin?
What's the game though?
It's just like Aladdin running.
No.
No?
No.
So in that game, all like the graphics were like this, like totally like this. We are so lost. We are just going in circles.
And it's hot.
And it's hot. There is no AC. So we spent quite some time inside the cafe. We were just talking and having our iced coffee. But now we are out. It's almost 6:30, so we are thinking to go to the creek to see the sunset because it's close by. Where are we going? That side?
Where the taxis are?
Taxi should be there, no?
I thought we came in by there. Right.
Okay, I can see. We're so lost. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the creek and we're gonna take some cool photos. We took like some cool photos here as well, but it's so hot. I think in all my vlogs I keep on saying it's so hot, it's so hot. It must be so annoying. I love how these look like so old and so like. The first time I went to Al Seef, I was like mind blown.
Yeah, I think Al Seef though is very new.
It's new?
Yeah, so I think they've like designed it to be old.
Yeah. But this area is Al Fahidi.
Al Fahidi, yeah.
This area is Al Fahidi. This is the street. It's a cool area, but it's again like pretty dead because of course it's summers. So we were walking, but apparently we were walking in the wrong direction, so we went further away from the creek. But now we took a taxi because again it is super duper hot, and now it's gonna take us like 6 minutes to reach there. Let's see, the sun is almost set now, so I'm not sure like if we will end up taking photos. We'll see. We'll try. Yeah, it's open. So we are at the textile souk now. We did not end up going to the creek. We're here. This area looks so old, like I don't know if you have been to Ajmer in Rajasthan. It looks like that, super old, and all the stores are like that. It's a vibe, but it does not feel like Dubai for me. But it's crazy, there are so many people and not nice people. So again, change of plans. We are going to Arabian Tea House because here there were a lot of people and it was super cramped. And yeah, maybe because it is Friday, so all of the people are out and we, I think, just did not feel so comfortable. So we're gonna go to the Arabian Tea House. Hopefully it will be a little bit quiet I hope. And yeah, let's see, we'll chill there because I really want to go and check it out. You've never been there, no?
No, never.
But
I think it's like one of the must things to do in Dubai. So.
yeah, it'll be cool. We have seen like a lot of cool photos on Instagram about it.
Yeah. So we can replicate them.
Yeah, but I think it's a breakfast place, like an all-day breakfast kind of a place, no?
Is it? I have no idea.
Yeah.
I think it's all like Arabic food though. Or
Arabic,
like
yes.
Emirati food. So
I'm hungry.
we can have some macros.
Yeah. So basically, we went to the other side. We came back to literally the same place that we were before. Because Arabian tea house is right here, and it's cute.
Yeah, but this is the place on the map.
Would you want to sit here?
No.
Why not? Why not? Why? Okay, first impressions. What do you think?
It's cute. Yeah.
It's cute. It's cute, and it's cold.
It's very cold.
It's not
Actually, it's a
hot.
bit true.
It's not hot, and it is beautiful. Beautiful. This is the menu. We're gonna pick.
The ceiling as well.
What, the ceiling? Oh yeah, so did not even see it. We're gonna sit on that table. They're just cleaning it, so we're gonna just check out the menu.
One grilled samak, that's samak mashawi, and one large water.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll
They-
just leave the one with you.
Yeah. They have sambosa in Emirati, and we have samosas in India. It's so cool. And then they also have biryani. Wait, let me find it. See, biryani, which is also like so Indian, but I think they also have it, and it's the same. That's cool. So this is what we have: the hummus, the bread, samosas, which totally taste Indian, rice and fish. Can you lift that? It's cute. Yeah, and a little bit of salad and hot sauce for Cassie. She loves the spicy food, so she's gonna like just have this, and let's see how it tastes. So we just got done with eating, and it was alright. Like the food was good. The food was good, but not great. And now we're gonna just head home because I am so sleepy. So I'm just gonna head home, and Chubb is also gonna head home. Okay, let's pay. So we are done for today. Cassie's in the bathroom, so she's gonna come back, and we're gonna take a cab back home. But look at this cute spot. It's so sweet, but the lighting is horrible. Hello my party people. Today we are gonna go to the outlet village. It is one of my most favorite places ever. But before that we have to make a quick stop at Batuta Mall because I want to exchange some money, and then we will take a ride to the outlet village. Okay, so change of plans. Let's go directly first to the outlet village and then Batuta Mall if we have the time, because it's already 2:30 and I have to be back home by 6. So I think we should go first to the village and then take it from there. We reached the outlet village. It's super quiet outside. I don't know how it is inside, but let's go and check it out. We are done with our first purchase. I got like I will show you what I got once I go home. I'm super hungry, but first we're gonna shop a little bit more. I want to shop for my family basically because I've not shopped for them at all. So I'm gonna shop for my family. I generally like, it's so easy for me to shop for myself, but for my family it's so challenging. So let's go get some things. Maybe we will go to Sephora later because I've already gotten so many things for my sister, like so many. I've shopped for her more than I've shopped for myself. So yeah, ooh, outlet. Let's go there. some shopping for my dad as well. Finally I got something for him. But now I'm super hungry, so we're gonna eat something. They only have like a few options, but we're gonna check them out. So this is like the little food court that they have. I will try Operation Falafel. I think I was here last time. Excuse me, can I get the menu?
This time is come here.
Okay.
I will give you the place now.
Technology, but I hate it sometimes. We have our shawarma here. Looks good, smells amazing. We are done eating and now we're gonna go ahead and shop a little bit more. I need to get one pair of heels because I got mine but they broke. So I need one pair of heels desperately. And I need like some activewear. So I'm done shopping for my family. So now I'm gonna shop for myself a little bit. And then we go home. Maybe have like a cup of coffee. Thank you. And we are done. I got more stuff for my dad. And I got a perfume and I got like some dresses because I have to go out tomorrow. But I did not get like a pair of heels that I wanted. I found one, but they were super uncomfortable. They were super pretty but uncomfortable, so I did not wanted to get that. Now we're gonna get some coffee and then we're gonna go home. Here is our coffee and I'm sitting outside and it's beautiful. So nice and quiet, a little bit hot though. But I'm gonna just have this coffee and then head back home. I am thinking to maybe like shoot a haul video of everything that I've got today because I've gotten a lot of stuff. If you're interested to watch that, comment down below and I will make sure that I shoot another video. But for today's vlog, that is it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button and stay tuned. There is a lot more content coming up from the Dubai vlogs. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.